baked brie with mushrooms. So I've got butter and olive oil in a skillet, and I just added some onion, garlic, thyme, and rosemary, and I chopped them really fine, and I'm cooking the onions. They're already sizzling away, and then now come the mushrooms. Now I just need to cook the mushrooms for about 3 minutes. Okay, the mushrooms look great, so I'm going to pour in probably a 1/4 cup of red wine, and then I'm going to turn the heat way up and just stir these until they've absorbed basically all of the wine they can possibly absorb, and everything has been reduced. Look at those beautiful mushrooms. So I'm going to turn off the heat, and I'm going to start on the baked brie process. So baked brie uses puff pastry. This is frozen puff pastry, and I let it thaw overnight in the fridge, and then I took it out about an hour ago, so it's pretty soft. So basically you want to pile the mushrooms right in the center, and then just a wheel of brie. I leave the rind on, it's just a personal preference. Kind of smush it into the mushrooms, and then you just bring up the sides of the puff pastry, and you are basically enclosing the brie in the pastry. So look. Now you can bake it like that, but I intentionally put the mushrooms on the bottom of the brie because I flipped it over and now they're on top. And then I have a simple egg wash, and it's just egg and water, and I whisked it together, and I'm brushing it all over the surface. So I'm gonna bake the brie at 375 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden. Let's check out this beautiful baked brie. Oh, comes right off that parchment. How beautiful. So I'm just doing some circles of crostini. I'm gonna put a little sprig of rosemary on top. Got some cranberries. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think this is gorgeous, and it's just as perfect with, you know, like your spouse, your sweetie, as it is for a party. So it's just one of those things that no one ever doesn't love. So you've got to get in here and look at this, Alex. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a lava flow. It's beautiful. I better get in here before it runs off the side. Look at this. And the mushrooms. Honey baby. Oh,